Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you 5 different beard styles. I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet. We're going to try and keep the video at around the 5-minute mark. So 5 beard styles in 5 minutes. Let's get right into the video. The first beard style is right here. It's a full beard with a rather lower neckline. So you can see my neckline right here is rather lower than some people might like it to be. And all I've done is I've cleaned up the perimeter around here. Okay, that's the first beard style. Second beard style is going to be a full beard again, but with a higher neckline. So I'm going to take my trimmer and I'm going to just go a little bit higher. Now this is going to be towards your jawline. So I'm going to just trim this roughly towards my jawline. Now the hair is quite thick over there on my own beard. So we're going to have to sort of trim it down first, and then we're going to shape that jawline. So as you can see, we're trimming it down like that. Now that I've trimmed it down, we're going to go a little bit higher right here. Now this is a style that I used to use in high school. When I had a little bit of a thinner beard, I would go a little bit higher, sort of almost like a chin strap, I used to call it. But this is going to be a little bit of a full beard, but with a higher line over here. So you're basically following your jawline, okay? To a certain degree, you're almost following your jawline. So if you want to know where to trim it, basically just feel where your jawline is. And I'm just eyeballing this quickly. Feel where your jawline is, and that's where your beard line is going to be, just like that. You can clean it up a little bit, just like that, sort of thin it out. But that is a full beard, but with a higher neckline. So this is almost like a jawline full beard. That's the second style. The third style is going to be a goatee. This is my favorite, but it's also my least favorite because my hair isn't that thick around here. For the goatee, you're gonna keep this chin line over here. You're just gonna get rid of everything on the outside. So like this, I like to get my first line like that, get a nice straight line like that. Once you have your straight line, you can get rid of everything on the sides. Just like that. Get a nice straight line, just like that. Once you get your line, your perimeter line, then you can just clean up everything else. It's like mowing the lawn. You know, once you get your perimeter line, you can clean up everything else. So right here, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean up the outside of this. Get a nice chiseled line. You always want to have that chiseled line when you are shaping a beard, okay? Wow, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't had my beard like this in a long time. I could leave this on, but I'm not going to because this is only the third beard style. This is actually, we have 2 more to go. So we have this beard style right here, which is the goatee. Next up is another one of my favorites, which is essentially you're keeping the mustache and the soul patch. So you're gonna get rid of all of the bottom level of beard right here. So you're going to take this right here, okay, and you're going to start off. You want to leave your mustache, you can leave it lower or higher. I like to leave it a little bit lower, like that. So once I get rid of that, I can just trim off the beard portion, shape your mustache, like that, get rid of the excess, just like that, and then shape your soul patch, which is this hair under your lip. Now for me, it's easy because it's kind of thin down there under my lip, so it's easy for me to shape it. You want to get rid of all of the excess, clean it up a little bit, just like that. Okay, I don't remember what the official name is for this. You can look it up. There is a name for this style. And you know what? I kind of like this too. I'm not going to lie. I could go for this. I could leave this for a little bit, but I'm not going to because this is only the 4th beard style. Once again, it's a mustache with a soul patch, a little bit of hair underneath the lip right here. And then the 5th beard style is going to actually be just the mustache, but we're going to clean it up because right now, in my opinion, it's a little bit too low and it sort of is just, you know, it's just little stray hairs over here. So we're going to get rid of that soul patch under the lip. Now, I personally like the mustache. I like the way that it looks. It has, in my opinion, it has a little bit of flair, but you need to have the right kind of facial hair to make it work. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to go right to my lip line. Just like that. Right to my lip line. Just like that. And that gives you a nice straight edge to that mustache. So you can either leave it like that if you want, or if you want, you can even just clean it up by chiseling the outside like that a little bit. Okay? Just like that. And then you have your mustache. That is going to be the 5th beard style. And I put that in quotes because a mustache isn't necessarily a beard, But if you have your mustache, you're still part of that beard club for the most part. So that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video on 5 beard styles in 5 minutes. I got rid of a beard that I let grow out for pretty much 3 months, so hopefully you at least appreciate it enough. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.